Kia ora tāwhakahua whānau. Today we're talking about the KIMAFUN 2.4G wireless lavalier microphone and headset microphone set for 2 people. Now this can be used for smartphones, iPhones, vlogging, on your camera, on your laptop, for conferencing, on a PA system, recording, whatever you want to use a wireless transmitting microphone for, this can be used for it. So let's check out what's in the box. Okay, well I'm letting you know KIMAFUN did send this to me, but I didn't get any other payment. Inside the box you got 2 wireless transmitters, you have 1 wireless receiver. So you can transmit 2 signals to the 1 receiver. You could use it for 2 people, or you could use it for yourself and recording another audio source all at the same time. That's really terrific. It comes with 2 lavalier microphones. You're listening to them now. I've got one plugged in right here. You're listening to that. It also comes with 2 headset microphones. These are pretty cool because you can position the microphone a static distance away from your mouth and get a nice, really even signal if you want to do so for recording, or maybe you're doing a fitness class or something along those lines where you need to transmit your audio and keep it nice and clear and nice and consistent. This is perfect, the headset. It comes with this cool cable here which plugs in and charges all 3 devices at once. Now this is the best solution I've seen for this sort of thing ever, because usually you just get shipped 3 cables if that's required. What else do we get in here? We have a 3.5mm to TPPS splitter. 2 signals can go into the 1 phone device. That's awesome. Comes with 4 windshields for the lavalier mics. Now you could use it on the headsets as well, but 4 spares. So in total, the kit comes with 6 windshields. That is terrific. It's always great to have spares. And then you've got a couple of belt clips here in case you wanted to use the transmitters as a belt pack. That's really, really handy too. Not to mention the warranty and other information. Okay, that's that. Now we're going to do a couple of tests. Notwithstanding the fact you're listening to it now, we're going to shoot down to a wee bit of a more windy spot and see how it performs in that kind of environment. And then we're going to do an interview test, splitting the device over 2 people to see how it performs in those sort of interview/conversational situations. I hope it goes really well. And of course we're going to do the obligatory range test. Are you going to do the obligatory range test? Okay, well I've come down here to Macra Beach to test out the KIMAFUN lavalier microphone setup. I've got the transmitter in my pocket right here. The receiver's sitting on the camera over there. It's about 3.5 meters away from me. How does it sound to you? It's quite a discreet little unit. I think it's quite good. What does it sound like to you? Are the levels okay? Is the audio clear? Can you hear what I'm saying? Apart from my weird accent, of course. What do you reckon? I think it's probably pretty good. Yeah! While we're here, I'm going to plug in the other transmitter. See what happens. I suspect it merges the signal. So I'm just plugging it in now into the transmitter here. And I'm going to go for the headset microphone this time. Which way does this go? Like this, here we go. Okay, and we'll turn it on, and probably getting double the signal here. The signal's definitely boosted, I can see that. Maybe I just need to move this further away from my mouth. Let's just turn this one off briefly. I'll just disconnect it. And this one's definitely still going. Wow, the levels look a lot higher on this device here. Let's put it about here, and that seems to make the levels a bit better. Naturally, the closer to your mouth, the better for the microphone. I'm going to plug the lavalier microphone back in, and now I've got both devices playing. I'm going to unplug this one, and let's just see if the audio carries on. And I believe it does. I can see the levels are still going. Hey man, this is a success. Which one are we listening to here? We're listening to the lavalier mic. Let's go back to the headset. We'll turn this one off. And let's just do a simple test with this one. This is a test of the KIMAFUN headset microphone system. I've got the transmitter down here and the receiver's over there, plugged into the camera. It's about 3.5 meters away from me. How does it sound to you? We've got them both plugged in, both turned on, double transmitters. Okay guys, well the light's changing, so just bear with me, but you see this point up here? Now that's about 65 meters away, so I'm just going to head there now, and let's see if you can still capture me on the audio from down here. And let's pace it up and see what it sounds like. All right, so I made it up here. I'm puffing. If you can hear me puffing, that's good. It means that the system's working. I lost my phone on the way up. It's going to be down there somewhere. Anyway, I can't see the camera. I can't tell if I'm in focus. The Wi-Fi cut out when I was up here before. So who knows? Maybe the most reliable thing out of this test is the KIMAFUN lavalier and headset microphone system. I'm going to head down there and let's find out. Now find my phone. Hey, well, cool. Thanks for that, for taking the time. Where did we get up to, Hendrix? You've got your YouTube channel, your favorite game's Minecraft. You got 50 subscribers. How many videos have you made on your channel?
Well, as soon as I launched my 90th video, almost like 10 minutes later, I got 50 subs. So right now I have 91 videos on my
Wow, that's
YouTube
pretty
channel.
cool. It's pretty impressive what the young guys can do with editing. And what sort of software or programs do you use?
So I record with a PlayStation 4. So on that, it comes with an app called Share Factory. And in it, you can do heaps of stuff like overlays. You can import images, music, and videos like green screen memes or whatever.
That's all really cool. I'm going to make sure to link your YouTube channel. And hey, if any of you guys are watching and you're into gaming and that, why not check out Hendrix's channel? I reckon it's going to be worth a watch and always coming up with new things. And was there anything else that we should know about your YouTube channel, mate?
Something I would like to say is that I don't really take YouTube seriously. I don't do it for anything. I just do it for fun. And,
Nice.
Something that's not so great about YouTube, though, is I was just recording a YouTube video and my throat is really sore now.
Oh, yeah. It sounds pretty good to me. So hopefully it sounds okay through the KIMAFUN dual microphone transmitter system here.
I'm sure KIMAFUN will make it sound really good.
Nice.
Yeah, thanks for coming up here.
Catch you later. Okay, a few of the features of the product. You've got easy charging through the micro USB, and not to mention the triple cable we saw there. It's a really versatile device and it works over a 2.4G wireless transmission. There's no static or dropout with the use of distance out to 50 to 100 feet. Now, it does go quite a bit further than that, as you will have seen. And one thing I really like about it is the price. You can pick it up for $89 US. So if it's not something you're going to use in a professional capacity, or you might not be using it every day or in every sort of situation, it is a good device to be able to pick up and have off to the side to be able to use when you need it. In New Zealand, it will cost you about $130. That's shipped to your door. That's a really good deal when you consider that some other dual microphone transmitter systems will cost you up to $300 US, 600 New Zealand dollars. So it's a saving right there of about $470. Now that is not to be sneezed at. Okay, well, what do we reckon? Well, I think the device is really good, and not least of all because of the affordable price. It makes it really accessible to get wireless microphones into your setup. It's great to be used in conversational interview type situations. It does seem to be reliable, the sound is really good, and you know what? It works. It works. And I really like the fact that they pump the box full of different accessories so you can use it in a number of applications. You're not limited by one cable or having to charge the devices one by one. You can charge them all at the same time. You've got all of the connections you need right in the box. That's awesome, man. And not only that, it comes in a cool little hard shell case. Everything can be kept all nice and tidy in here. It's a really decent package. Okay, so a couple of issues. One thing is the dropouts when you put your body between the transmitter and the receiver. So just ensure when you are using it to always have clear path between the transmitter and the receiver. It's not to say that it's always going to drop out, but that's just going to give you the best results in the moment. One other thing I did notice when I was doing the tests is when I looked at the levels, I could see that there was some fixed static signal coming through, and it did take a bit of jiggling of the receiver into the mic jack, and also I had to make sure that the connection between the lavalier mic and the transmitter was really nice and solid, and that seemed to give really nice consistent results. Okay, well that's that. Look, I reckon if you need a wireless microphone system, then it's a really, really good option to not blow the bank and also get a pretty good reliable system that's going to do the job for you. So jump on in. It's the KIMAFUN 2.4G wireless lavalier mic, wireless headset mic system for 2 people, available now on Amazon. I reckon give it a go. Thanks a lot for watching. As always, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.